Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY vegan pancake mix. And then you'll be ready to make pancakes in a jiffy. So let's get started. 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and I'm going to sift that into my bowl. Add 1/2 cup of sugar and mix that all up. And now you're going to add that to your storage container. When you're ready to make your pancakes, take 1 cup of the powder, 1 cup of water or milk, any milk of your choice, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of oil, and mix. When you're ready to cook your pancakes, heat a skillet to medium, add some oil, and add your batter. And you're going to cook your pancakes for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when you see some bubbles along the outside edge, and you can sort of see that they're browned, it'll be time to turn them. Now I can see that they're starting to look a little brown on the edges, so it's now time to turn them. Then I'm going to cook them for another couple of minutes on this side, and they'll be done. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes, so I'm going to flip and see if they're cooked, and they're perfect. My stack of pancakes, I'm going to add some maple syrup. Now you can top them with blueberries or cherry pie filling. And that's how easy it is to make your own DIY vegan pancake mix. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.